Hello, this video is a step-by-step guide to install Ubuntu from a seed image. First, we will need two links. The first contains the image used for Ubuntu Linux. Downloading this link will give you a zip file. You will unzip this file and save the path by right-clicking and selecting Copy from the list. This will be used later in VirtualBox, so make sure to save it. You can also remember where you put it in your files. However, for the sake of simplicity, I do it this way. Then, you will need to download Oracle VirtualBox and make sure to get the latest version. After VirtualBox is downloaded, open it. Then, this will give you the installation menu. Keep everything default and go ahead with installation. We then follow the attached documentation to build a virtual machine using the seed image. Once you're finished with the wizard, open VirtualBox. Then, to create a new virtual machine, we create new under the Machine tab. Then, we will provide a name and select the operating system. And select the operating system, which it already did automatically from our name. Next, we will set the number of resources we want to give to the virtual machine. In this case, we will give 5,000 megabytes. For CPUs, give it 4. Under Use an existing virtual hard disk file, mount the image VDI file to the VM, which we copied earlier. You will simply just paste it into here, Control-V. And then we get to make our configurations. To make configurations, right-click, click Settings. Then we will go to Advanced, General. Then select Bidirectional under Shared Clipboard and drag and drop. We then go to System. Under the Processor tab, we have given the VM 4 CPUs. Under the Display category, give 60 megabytes of memory to the VM. Finally, disregard the network part, as unless you know what you are doing, do not mess with it. Congratulations! You have built an Ubuntu VM from a seed image. Now you are ready to use the rich Ubuntu ecosystem with pre-built functionality. Enjoy!